Hello friends, welcome to Online Web Tutor. I am Sanjay. In this video we'll see a very basic concept of CSS by the help of a topic called how to disable text selection on a web page. So to disable text selection inside a web page, we'll use a very basic concept of CSS. We have one more request. Please do subscribe to YouTube channel so that we can create such type of informative videos for you. Back to editor. So as we know that if we have any website, inside that website, if we have multiple posts, so inside those posts, if we have multiple contents, so any user can copy and paste those contents into another website. So if we want to disable text selection inside that website, we have multiple options. Either we can use JavaScript, jQuery or third-party plugin. But in this video we'll see a very basic concept of CSS. By the help of that we can implement the disable function so that no one user can select our text from our web page. So let's create a first file inside this HTML.js directory. So here I will call it as disable-text.html. Now inside this HTML file, let's create a basic HTML structure. So I will type HTML and I will use the code snippet of Visual Studio Code. So here, let's create a h3 tag, disable text selection. And after that, I will define a paragraph tag. I will go to browser. Here I have installed a dummy text generator Chrome extension, so I will click on that. It will generate some dummy text. I will copy whole content, back to editor and paste here inside this body tag. Now inside this web page we can see here we have a heading and also we have some dummy text. Save all these changes, go here. So inside this HTML.js directory, if I type disable-text.html, now we can see that inside this web page we have lots of content. So currently there is no function for disable. So if I let's say select all these contents, I am able to select even I am copy. Let's say I want to copy the whole paragraph. So select, click copy, go here, open a new tab and I will paste all of those content. Now let's implement the concept of CSS, and by following that concept, user will not be allowed to select those contents, means these contents from this web page. So what I will do, if I go and click on inspect here, it opens developer tools. So just go inside elements tab, click on this body, go here inside this element.style, curly pairs, and here I will type user-select. It's a CSS property, type colon and its value, all we need to pass none here, all written. Once we add this attribute, once we add this CSS property to this body tag, if I close, now we can see that user will not be able to select any data from this web page. So by adding that CSS property, means a smart property of CSS, we have disabled the copy feature, even selection feature from this web page. But once we reload, now we can see that we are able to copy and select all those contents. Back to editor, just go at the top of this page. We need to add our CSS property right here for this body tag. So I will go inside this head tag. Let's define a style tag, and inside this style tag let's pass selector called body curly pairs, and inside this curly pair we need to add our CSS property called user-select needs to pass a value and it will be none. So if I save this change, you go here, just reload this page. Now we can see that we are not able to select and even copy from this web page. So successfully, this is the best option. By using CSS property, we can disable all about the selection, means text selection from a web page. So according to browser and their compatibility, here we have inside body for supported Chrome and Opera browsers we need to pass user-select equals to none value, and this is what we had seen using this Chrome browser. But if you have, let's say, Safari, so you need to add webkit-user-select and the value equals to none. In case of Conquer HTML, we need to pass khtml-user-select and none value. For Firefox, we need to add -moj in front of user select. And for Internet Explorer and Edge browser, we need to add -s -user-select equals to none value. So this is all about CSS property. According to browsers, we need to add to disable text selection feature from our web page. So please like, do comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.